Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mike here from cookingadventures. So guys, I want to wish everyone, first I want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you for support. Thank you for following our channel. I want to say happy V-Day to everyone who's celebrating Valentine Day. I say V-Day, right? I'll be saying V-Day instead of Valentine. So happy Valentine Day to everyone who's celebrating Valentine from Mike and family. So the weather is cooperating. We have nice weather for the Valentine Day. If you want to go out, maybe go to a restaurant, hang out, eat out. The weather is nice, beautiful weather, warm weather. The sun is bright. I know it's get darker later because the time is getting changed. It will be changed soon. So yeah, the snow is so melt away. I think we have a storm coming Saturday night, but mostly it'll be rain. Not too much of snow, but mostly it'll be rain. Alright guys, so today's video I'm making, every year, the time of the year, I usually bake a Valentine Day cake. Last year I baked a 2-3 layer, but I didn't have the pan, so I had to cut it and make it to a heart. So this year I have a hard pan. So we can do that. Then later we can make some veggie chow mein because it's probably bird flu. No chicken on the menu today. Keep here for the chicken for a little. I know I make some chicken wing for the Super Bowl. But I went to that Key Food and the guy was saying nobody's buying the chicken. The chicken is not moving from the shelf. So I didn't buy any chicken today. So hopefully the bird flu go away and then we get back to the chicken again. Alright guys, so let me show you the ingredients I have for the Valentine Day cake. Alright, so let me show you. So here I have like a cup and a half of sugar. This recipe calls for 2 cups, but you put cup and a half. Okay, you know what? This year I'm adding some semi-sweet chocolate chip inside the cake. Last year I didn't put this inside, so I've added some of that. I had some left back when I baked cookies for Christmas. So I have some left back here. I've added inside the cake and use it out. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of almond extract, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg, I mean. And this is 2 cups of flour. 3 cups of flour. And here I have 4 eggs, 2 sticks of butter. This is 2 sticks is 1 cup, so you can have 1 cup. And I have 2 more sticks here. This will make the for the icing, buttercream icing. I'm putting buttercream frosting in it. So this with powdered sugar will make the buttercream frosting with this. So we can leave this for the later. But this is the ingredients for the cake, for the Valentine Day cake. And I have the pan here. I grease it. I put flour. Take out the excess flour so it don't stick. It comes out easy. We mix it here. So this is how we can mix the cake in. Alright guys, so this is a little gadget I have. I used it one time. This is why I use the open egg with. Just lift it up. Look. Comes out real good. Alright, so we can break the egg. I will break the 4 eggs, put it in here. And then we start cream the butter and the sugar. But first let me get the egg going. Let me show you one more. It's a really cute little tool. And you have to raise it up like this. Alright, so we'll finish up the 2 more eggs. I'll show you, look how beautifully break the egg out. I forgot to mention, I also have 2 cups here buttercream, so the cake will be more moist. You can use regular whole milk, but I use buttercream milk, this one here, so the cake will be more, moist and nice. So after I finish baking it, I will spray it with some syrup, mix sugar and water, and spray it also, keep it more moist, right? Get started guys. So I have the ones, I'll put the butter in here now. Everything room temperature. I take it out of the fridge. So everything is really nice and warm. You don't want it hard. So we got cream the butter a little first, and then we go add the sugar in. Yeah, that's perfect there. So we got all of the sugar in. Alright, so we get this incorporated, the sugar and the butter. And then we add the egg. Alright, you got it on low speed. So you add the egg one by one. Alright, so that's the 4 eggs. You give it back some more speed. And then you add the vanilla. Alright, so I want to scrape down the side a little. So we add the vanilla in, a teaspoon of vanilla, the almond vanilla extract. We can give it a little more speed. Alright, let's scoop down the side a little. So what we can do now, I will add all the dry ingredients to the flour, and then we can add the flour inside here now. And this cake you can't over mix it. If you over mix it, the cake will come out. It will come out nice and moist. It will come out like a regular sponge cake. You know, dense and not dense but kind of stiff. So you don't want to over mix this cake and over bake it also. If you over bake it, it won't be moist and nice. Alright, so that's good there. That's smooth and nice. So here, I'm mixing all the dry together. The cinnamon and nutmeg, the baking powder, the baking soda, everything mixed in here, and we add this in here now. Put it on low. Now you add it little by little. Alright, so we got some of the semi-sweet chocolate chip. I don't think I'm going to put all in it because it might be too much. We'll put it on low speed. I think that should be good. Because I don't want to make it too sweet. Yeah, that's good there. See, the batter is smooth and nice. So I don't want to over mix it now. This is good here. Keep it moist. So we can pour it inside the pan now. Alright guys, so the cake in the pan there. And I think it was too much, so I take out some because when it rises, I might flow over. So I put some in this little small pan here. So we can put this in the oven here for 350 degrees. About 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes. Because we don't want to over bake it. It wouldn't stay moist, right? So let's put it inside the oven. It just preheated. So we can put it in the oven now. Alright, here we go. I put it on the top one. So you take your time and bake. Alright. You can make the buttercream frosting. Well, first I gotta finish out the chow mein. I'm gonna do in a pack of veggie chow mein, so I'll finish that first and work on the butter frosting. Alright guys, so I just take the cake out of the oven. So remember this one had too much, I took out a little bit in a small pan. So this is both cakes. So we let this cool down and I make a syrup here. I make a syrup with sugar and water. You average is like 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Or if you want to put more, I put a little extra water in it. And once it cools down a little, I go spray it so I keep it moist. So you don't get, so you always stay moist all the time. So first we let it cool down a little. Alright guys, so we take the cake out from the oven, from the pan, so it cool down. The syrup I will just squirt a bit on top of it. Keep it nice. And here I have a cup of butter. I will add 4 cups of powdered sugar here. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, almond, and we're gonna make the frosting. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the cake in white and then we get decorated with pink, right? Hey guys, so I'm back again. So I'm doing in the frosting, the buttercream frosting, but now everybody said don't do the whole thing of frosting, just decorate the top. Because they don't like too much of frosting, so we can just do a little decoration. We can mix this up. The pink, I have pink color in here. Remember it's 1 cup butter. With the sugar, the recipe called 4 cups, but you can add less. You don't need to put 4 cups. You can put less butter. It depends on how big is the cake. Like right now I make, this is too much I have here. So I'm going to put some away for next time. Put it in the fridge. Next time we bake, we can make something. And I have my piping bag here. I can fill this up and then we can decorate the cake. So here is it. Alright, so this is what we can do. We can put all the way around like this. Alright. So what am I do now? I don't know. Guys, so that's the cake. I didn't frosty the whole cake. I just give it a little decoration there. Happy Valentine. But it kind of small, everything not hold properly. But try to fit in Happy Valentine. Just so the day left out. So you just have Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine. You skip out the day. Alright, so we got cutting the cake. Cut it later and show how it look inside. Okay, so hope you like this recipe with the Valentine Day cake. I didn't put a lot of frosting, but for frosting we just put a little at the top decoration. So you let it sit in the fridge for a little while and then you cut into it later on. Continue the Valentine Day celebration. We got packed bottle, red bottle of wine also later. Alright guys, so I cut the small one. Nice, spongy and nice. And you see the chocolate chip?
You put chocolate in there.
So you cut the big one later on. Here's our big Valentine balloon. Look at that size. And you have a little baby one at the back of it. This is the flower. Red one. I had it in the freezer, so it's cold. It's the cake. We cut the cake and we get some chocolate over here. Alright, so you open up this bag and see what the inside is, black bag. Oh. Tito, ano pa ito? Bakit tito?
Oh, and you get on something else on the tito.
Scratch.
The Happy Valentine's Day.
We just got the cake here. Taste this.
Good. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine. Cheers.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Alright guys, that's our small little Valentine celebration here. I remember I told you I make veggie chow mein. Let me show the chow mein. That's the veggie chow mein I make earlier. But I didn't make a video on this because I have video up there with chow mein, veggie chow mein. We're gonna have some more red wine, eat some food, eat some cake, and that's it for the Valentine. We're gonna prepare for part 1 next month. Guys, thank you for watching. See you back soon in the next adventure. And from Mike and family, we want to wish everyone a happy Valentine. See you back soon in the next adventure. Guys, good night, peace out. See you back in the next adventure. Have fun on your Valentine's Day and be safe.